Good morning.
Morning.
We are headed to a bowling tournament, and Ethan's hand is very, very sore. So, this might be the last time he bowls for a while. Well, that was fun. Horatio actually came to the tournament during the second game, I think. So he's taking Ethan home, and I am going to work out. Ethan did not finish last. He was like, darn, I wasn't last place. I'm like, why are you upset? He goes, I mean, I just thought that I would be last place because I was bowling in a way that I've never bowled before. So, yeah. But, doing this and him having a sore hand and him, all of this has made him want to learn properly how to bowl two-handed in case he ever has to. He prefers bowling one-handed, but it would be very good for him to practice two-handed as well, just in case something like this happens where he needs to rest his muscles in his hand. And the ball that he was bowling with wasn't even his. It was one of his friends who bowls two-handed. So it didn't fit his hand. Like, and so, again, it's one of those things where at the end, his friend's dad said, well, we've got extra balls just sitting around at our house, and we can bring them to league on Tuesday, and you can just, like, have stuff. The bowling community it never ceases to amaze me, and it's fantastic. And all Ethan would have to do is get it, get different grips in there that would fit his fingers, and make sure that it's, well, that would be my water bottle falling on the floor. Uh-oh. Make sure that it fits his fingers. I feel a lot better. I did the elliptical. I'm very predictable. I'm a creature of habit. I did the elliptical, and then I swam. It was very nice. Right before I went into the gym, I sent a message to my my host mom in New Zealand, and because, I mean, I don't know that anybody here would really know about this, but they're having some terrible weather. Like, and it's been going on for a long time. They're having cyclones, and it is affecting close-ish. I mean, according to the models, 'cause I've been following the weather. I've been looking at radars and stuff, and it looks like it's hitting pretty close to where I lived when I was there. And so I sent a message to see if everyone's okay, and she said so far it's just rain. So she said maybe the winds are yet to come. So I'm thankful that everybody's okay. We're at our meeting. So cute. Look, this is what Horatio is doing right now. There's a lot of knots. So that went well, and despite all of the tangled up wires and some of the feedback from some of the microphones whenever we turn them on, it was positive, and we did find that we have microphones that work with our system, and we'll be able to utilize them. So we have like 11, right? 11 microphones, and then there are some. So it's gonna be good. I probably don't need my sunglasses, but it makes me feel cool. Very cool. So it does. And now we're on a hot date. We're going to Costco. So I don't think I've ever been here when it was this busy. Not even at the holidays. We're waiting in the food court, and I've never seen this many people in the food court. There are so many people that they had to come and like tell people to move their carts so that people could leave the store. That's how many people there are. And it became a huge traffic jam. Huh. Is it bedtime? It's bedtime. No? Kiss. 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 He will not kiss me. Kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Oh, thank you. Thank you. He kissed me. Final clip. Final clip. All right. I am very tired. I need to go to bed. Tomorrow is Sunday. There's church. And yeah, there's church. So until tomorrow.